They say the Amazon hides its best secrets in plain sight, inside leaves, vines, and flowers that look like they belong in a fantasy movie. Some of these plants freshen your air, some eat bugs, and some just sit there looking outrageously gorgeous. And here's the twist, you don't have to trek through the jungle to meet them. Today we're exploring 10 mysterious Amazon plants you can actually grow indoors, each with a story as bold as the rainforest itself. First up, passion flower. This isn't just a pretty blossom situation, it's hypnotic. The petals spiral in layers of purple, red, and white like an alien crown. In the wild, it climbs trees and scrambles through the canopy. Indoors, give it a sunny window, a trellis, and occasional pruning, and every bloom feels like a tiny portal to the jungle. Next, the Amazon orchid. Drama queen of the plant world, there are thousands of species, and each one looks like nature went overboard on the details. These orchids cling to branches and sip moisture from the air. Inside, they just want a bright window and chunky orchid mix. They pretend to be fragile, but once settled, they put on a bloom show that makes your kitchen feel like a mini greenhouse. Bromeliads are where things start to feel like a fantasy RPG. Their colorful rosettes form a small cup that can hold water, enough to host tiny ecosystems in the wild. At home, no frogs move in, but you do get instant tropical vibes. A bit of humidity, soft filtered light, and a gentle refill in that center cup, and they sit there like living sculptures. Christmas cactus secretly has rainforest roots. In the Amazon, it hangs from trees like a leafy chandelier, storing water in its segmented stems until it explodes with flowers. Indoors, give it bright indirect light and regular watering. And just when winter feels endless, it bursts into pink, red, or white blooms, your built-in holiday mode button. Zebra plant is the Amazon's fashion icon. Deep green leaves slashed with bold white stripes make it look hand-drawn. It likes things warm, humid, and a little bougie. No drafts, no dry air. Treat it like the diva it is. And it may reward you with tall yellow flower spikes that look like tiny golden torches. Things get creepy cool with the pitcher plant. Its colorful pitchers aren't just decoration. They're insect traps filled with digestive liquid. In the rainforest, that's lunch. In your home, with high humidity and bright indirect light, it becomes a tiny predator on your shelf, quietly taking care of a few bugs. Monkey brush vine looks like a firework frozen in midair. Its fuzzy orange-yellow blooms resemble paintbrushes dipped in sunset. In the wild, it hooks onto trees and turns into a nectar bar for birds and insects. Indoors, you'll need strong light support to climb, and pruning so it doesn't decide to redecorate the entire room. Lobster claw, also known as heliconia, is the plant equivalent of a neon sign. Huge leaves, stacked colorful bracts, and a claw-like shape make it impossible to ignore. Indoors, a dwarf variety near a sunny window makes your space feel less like a living room and more like a private tropical lodge. Acai palm is the quiet superstar. You know the berries from smoothie bowls, but the tree itself is pure Amazon royalty. A dwarf version can grow indoors if you have warmth, humidity, and patience. It grows slowly, unfurling new fronds like it's sharing secrets one leaf at a time. Finally, anthurium, sleek, glossy, and a little extra. Its heart-shaped bracts look polished, and the plant quietly filters your air while serving high-end hotel lobby energy. Warmth, humidity, and filtered light are its love language. Take care of it, and it will reward you with lasting color. The Amazon isn't just a faraway wilderness, it can be a mood in your own home. So, which of these jungle oddities are you brave enough to adopt? If you're hooked on mysterious plants now, stick around, because the rainforest definitely isn't done sharing its secrets.